Hello students, welcome you all to the SST class of Standard 4. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 2. So let's start. Number A, take the correct answer. The Himalayas stretches to about, what is the answer? Answer is 2500 kilometers. Then question number 2, the highest peak of Himalaya in India is, answer is K2. Then in which country is Mount Everest located? Tell me the answer. What is, in which country Mount Everest located? Yes, it is located in Nepal. Number 4, what is the pot of burning coal used by Kashmiri in winter called? It is called kangri. They use it to keep themselves warm during winter. So the answer is kangri. And number 5, in which northeastern state has a large area but small population? It is Arunachal Pradesh. It is Arunachal Pradesh. Now we discuss number B, match the column A and column B. First, Nathula. Nathula is a pass that lies in Himalayas that connects Sikkim with Lhasa. So Nathula is a pass. You write here 1. Then Dehradun. The Dehradun is a valley. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Dehradun is a valley. So here you write 2. Dehradun is a valley. Then Terai. This is Terai, the marshy land of Shivalik range is known as Terai. So number 3, Terai is the foothills of Shivalik range. So you write down here 3. Terai is the foothills of Shivalik range. Then Yamuna. Yamuna is a river, Himalayan river. So it is a perennial river. Perennial means never ending river that flow all through the year, they never dry up. So the Yamuna is a perennial river. You write here 4. Perennial means never ending river that flow all through the year. So Yamuna is a perennial river. Then Nainital is a hill station. It is a hill. Nainital is a hill station. Then Purvanchal. The eastern Himalaya is known as Purvanchal. So it is 6 in eastern Himalaya. This is the answer. Now number C, fill in the blanks. 5 questions are there in number C. Number 1, the day stand as a barrier separating India from the rest of Asia. What will be the answer? Just think. The days stand as a barrier separating India from the rest of Asia. The answer is the Himalayas, or you may write the northern mountain. So we write here the Himalayas. The Himalayas stand as a barrier separating India from the rest of Asia. Then, now number 2, the people of Sikkim belongs to 3 tribes. What are they? What are they? What are the name of the 3 tribes of the three types of people live in Sikkim? The answer is Lepcha, second Bhutia, and third it is Nepalis. So, the people of Sikkim belongs to 3 tribes. They are Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepalis. Then number 3, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga and Mizo hills together form Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga and Mizo hills together form the Purbanchal or Eastern Himalayas. So you write here Purbanchal. Purbanchal or Eastern Himalaya. You may write Eastern Himalaya or Purbanchal. Then number 4, dash are the major occupation of the people of Himalaya region. So what will be the answer? So the dash are the major occupation of the people of Himalaya region. So it is the 3 major occupation of the people of Himalaya region are agriculture, animal rearing, and handicraft are the major occupation of the people of Himalaya region. Agriculture, animal rearing, handicraft are the major occupation of the people of Himalaya region. Then next question number 5. The people of Purbanchal Himalayas are mainly of dash race. The people of Purbanchal Himalayas are mainly of Mongolic race. People of Mongolic race look like Chinese. The northeastern state of India, peoples look like Chinese. They are yellowish in color, so that people are known as that people belongs to Mongolic race. Now we discuss number D. Answer the following. So question number 1. Which are the highest and the longest mountain? The answer is the Himalayas are the highest and longest mountains. The Himalayas are the highest and longest mountain. Then the number 2. Name the 5 important hills of Purbanchal ranges. The Purbanchal ranges means the eastern Himalaya, the branch of Himalaya that lies to the east of Himalayas are known as the Purbanchal ranges. So, which hills, important hills lies in Purbanchal ranges? Then the answer is the Garo, the Khasi, the Jaintia, the Naga, and the Mizo hills are the important hills of Purbanchal ranges. So the Pha, the Garo, the Khasi, the Jaintia, the Naga, the Mizo hills are the important hills of Purbanchal ranges. Then number 3, name the 4 hill stations situated in the Lesser Himalayas. So the answer is, the name of 4 hill stations situated in the Lesser Himalayas are Srinagar, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling. So the 4 hill stations located in the Lesser Himalayas are Srinagar, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling. Then number 4, what are the occupation of the people of Manipur? So the occupation of the people of Manipur are farming and weaving. Farming and weaving are the major occupation of the people of Manipur. So number 5, what do you know about the lifestyle of the people living in Meghalaya and Nagaland? So answer is, first we write about lifestyle of the state of Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, people of Meghalaya belongs to 3 tribes, and the name of the 3 tribes are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. And the main occupation of the people of Meghalaya is farming. Now Nagaland, people of Nagaland are mainly hunter. So people of Nagaland are mainly hunter, and farming is the main occupation of the people of Nagaland. So in people of Meghalaya belongs to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Meghalaya and Nagaland. People of Nagaland are mainly hunter. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Nagaland. So this is all from chapter 2, and in next video we will discuss about chapter 3, the northern plain. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.